Open ABCproxy client. Select country, region, and city. Filter IPs. All these IPs are available. Just find one. Forward port to proxy. Find the IP in the today list. Go to the port forwarding list. Find this IP and copy it. Open Firefox browser. Browser settings. Scroll down. Find network settings and reset it. Select manual proxy configuration. Proxy tab, select SOX 5. Then paste the IP and port you just copied from the client. Click OK. You can continue to open a new window. Enter the URL to see the browser's local IP at this time. Obviously, the local IP has been changed. We can open ABCproxy to compare. This is the tutorial of using ABCproxy in Firefox browser. Thank you for watching.